Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through why USPS delivery instructions not working. Fix USPS delivery instructions not available. Why USPS delivery instructions not working or not available. The issue with USPS delivery instructions not working can be attributed to several factors. First, if the original mail piece is damaged, the delivery instructions request cannot be completed, and the mail item will be treated as any other damaged mail item. Second, the mail piece must meet specific eligibility requirements to use the delivery instruction service. For instance, it must not be insured for $500 or more, international, addressed to military addresses, requiring a delivery signature, active COD service, or have an active hold mail or hold for pickup request. Additionally, users have reported difficulties with the functionality of the delivery instructions feature, including challenges in selecting specific delivery locations, like the front deck next to a garage. Some users have expressed frustration with the system's limitations and the inability to leave instructions for the mail carrier effectively. What to do if USPS delivery instructions not working or not available? Check eligibility. Ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements for using the delivery instruction service. You must be a registered USPS.com user, and your mail piece must have a USPS tracking number. Additionally, it must not be insured for $500 or more, international, addressed to military addresses, requiring a delivery signature, active COD service, or have an active hold mail or hold for pickup request. 2. Verify your account. Ensure that you are a registered USPS.com user with a valid account. If not, create an account and sign in to access all the delivery instructions options. 3. Check mailpiece tracking number. Ensure that the mailpiece has a USPS tracking number and that it has not gone out for delivery that day. 4. Try a different browser or device. If the delivery instructions option is not present, try accessing the USPS website on a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. 5. Contact USPS customer service. If the issue persists, contact USPS customer service for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide guidance on how to proceed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.